Hey, welcome to Misty Land. I'm Misty, and today I wanted to do a review on my favorite tablecloths. This is Maison de Hermine?
Hermine. Maison de Hermine.
I googled how to pronounce that, and I can't do it. I'm sorry. I don't think that it matters. I'm from Arkansas, so the worst advice you could probably give an Arkansas kid is, sound it out. It's just, don't do that. That's cool. It's horrible at class. But anyway, I'm thrilled to show you these gorgeous tablecloths. I have the premium collection. Comes in this gorgeous box. And this is the Peacocks. And I just love these boxes. They feel so special. So they come in these beautiful, bold colors. These gorgeous, vibrant colors. And I just love them. The artwork is incredible. See, they're all hand painted. They're incredibly crafted. They have the premium collection, which comes in this lovely box. It is perfect for a gift. If you're looking to get me one, this is it. I love the artwork. It's incredible. Let's look at it. The artist is exceptional. I'm in another room. I'm only working on my phone, so the sound isn't great at all. So I'm in here, so hopefully this will be better. I googled and they said to throw pillows around and blankets, so I got some dirty clothes. And it didn't really help at all. So I have the tablecloth, and I also have the napkins and the placemats. See, these are the placemats. They're gorgeous. That beautiful peacock. Double-sided. The stitching is incredible. See, these are the cloth napkins. Beautiful. So I think with this tablecloth, I'm going to use this gorgeous Pickard crescent dishes. These are my husband's favorite fancy dishes. He has scoured the internet trying to get a collection for us. It's beautiful. It has a little crescent moon on one side that is platinum. I think it's going to look gorgeous. But first, we're going to have sweet potato roll. Okay, let's go look. Beautiful. Do you see my flowers? Look how pretty. These were a gift.
Oh, wow. Those are beautiful.
I got them for you.
Oh, thank you.
One of my favorite gifts. I also have some of their, they're not premium, they're regular tablecloths, and they're also 100% cotton, and I think the biggest difference might be in how well they're made. So I did notice that when I washed the ones that are not premium, they did kind of shrink. So I think that maybe they were not pre-washed. The fabric wasn't pre-washed and ironed like a seamstress would do. Maybe they're just like run through and sent out. But it seems to be the same quality of fabric. But the premium collection is much better in the stitching, and when I washed it and ironed it, it did not shrink. So how much do I love these tablecloths? I don't know, how much do you love them? I love them this much and this much.
You've got to have these.
I will show you some pictures of some tables that I have. I have the ones with the bunnies, and I used those for Easter, and they were so cute. I can't wait to use this one. Definitely going to show you guys. I already have plans. These will always be with me. I love them so much that I'm going to use them every day. And when they have stains on them, I'm going to cut the stains out. And then I'm going to make a quilt or a dress or anything. Pillows. I definitely recommend the tablecloths, the placemats, the napkins. They're gorgeous. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It helps me out and it makes me happy. Y'all have a good one. I'm supposed to use my hands. Apparently we're all a little attention deficit, and so let me know, do you like seeing my hands? So